never know how to start these videos, but hi everyone. Come on. Stop mucking around, Sonic. Wait, I can just slide like this forever. Hey, there's someone else in here. You're on YouTube, buddy. They probably don't know that because I'm not a very popular YouTuber. I should be on there. I mean, shout out to Jamie the OK Gamer, because like, he's here. Next thing before I know it, I might be on there. Just gonna have to show the creator that. If I ever do, make sure to check that. Snow was here. Bruh. Let's speed up. I already know how to slide, doofus. Didn't even know you could boost. Well, I didn't know you had to get full speed, because like, I don't know. Bing. Oh, come on, Sonic. Wait, can I bounce? What's your favorite Chaos Emerald color, everyone? Green, blue, purple, red, cyan, my favorite right there. Clear or yellow? Let me know in comments. Or you die. Okay. Dude. Sorry you have to hear all that homing attack sound, cause like, I don't know why, but red star ring, come on, let me grab it. Nah. Okay. Oh, let's go die on some spot. I'm immortal, like I'm supersonic or something. Wait, yay! Yeah. What is this? Like the Frontiers animation, actually? It's pretty good. I like it. Or is this like the Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games animation? Guess we'll never know. How is this not working? Okay, this is really Sonic 06. Sonic 06. The start of the nightmare. Fun fact, everyone. My first Sonic game was Sonic Forces. And I kind of regret it. Yay! Yay! Ah! Giga Chad moment. Okay. Let me up. Come on! Oh wait, there's a spring right here. Boing! Ow, ow! I hit my head. I mean, Sonic hit his head. Why was I saying ow for? You're dead. Come on over here. Come on. How fast do I have to go to exactly slide? Oh. Just start running and then boom. Wait, am I still moving? Wait, can I slide while on? What music do you all want here? Well, this is my favorite here. Sonic looks beautiful in here. I can make that. Oh no, I can make that even better even. No, I'm terrible at all. On the PC, I'm not too bad of myself. Anyway, full speed ahead! More rings, please. More rings. I've grabbed all the rings. gotten all the rings. I don't know how to speak in grammar today. Whee! Follow me, set me free. Let's prove Jamie the OK Gamer wrong. That it's actually not that hard. Pretty easy, honestly. Oh my god, the homing attack works. Meanwhile, other games, it did not go well, let's just say. Oh god. Ah! This is a nice view. Let's keep moving forward. Huh? Whee! Oh, I just made it. Boing! I'm risking it. Whee! Whee! I just made it. Boing. I wonder what I feel like to be speared. Okay. Just gonna slide. Hey, we made it. Come on, let me glitch through here. I'm mashing my buttons. I'm just gonna end it all. Whee! Whee! That was just insane. I like don't die in this game, I guess. Animation, don't touch. I touched it. So what do I do now? I actually just touched it. Let's kill this guy. Immortal robots. I can't believe Eggman thought of him. I mean, he could have done it sooner, but oh no, he had to wait. Oh my god. Okay, I'm being too sarcastic. Oh, I can get up here easy. Easy. Whee! Wait a second, I discovered a secret area. Can I, Oh, we can try that again. Excuse me, pinball. Whee! 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 Ah! Yeah, I forgot. Come on, there. I've got the Chronos Island theme stuck in my head forever now. Can I make it? Yeah, no, I'm not making that. Okay. I mean, maybe if I got a little more speed, like if I boosted, maybe? Could have worked. If I don't make it, oh well, we'll forget that. We'll forget that it happened. I don't edit videos, so. Sonic is just falling, like, it's gained some speed and... Oh, I made it! Now I uncovered the secrets. I'll probably get taken down for this. I do not care if I do. Let's see if Sonic can really swim. He cannot. Alright, I'm just gonna end it all back here. I'm falling around at the speed of sound. Hey, I caught myself again. Oh.